So it is June 25th, Debbie's birthday today. It rained last night and everything is frozen. My tailgate was frozen again. Crazy. What a cold spring. It was clear last night. It's a beautiful morning, but it is nuts out. It's still freezing here. High elevation, I guess. Fun stuff. Saturday we went down to get our boat ready to head out. We're gonna go fishing. By the time we did all of our run around and all our stuff to get the boat ready to go, the weather turned. The battery was dead on the motor side of things. And of course, with a dead battery, we weren't gonna go at the lake with a dead battery. So I brought it home. We got it back set up here and got the solar panel on it to be able to charge the engine battery. But, yeah, we're looking forward to getting out there. We haven't had it in the water yet, which is hard to believe when it's already the end of June. So we need to make up some time.
Hello, Mr. Prabhu.
Hello, Mrs. Dibble.
What are we doing?
We're driving down this road.
That's not helpful at all.
We're heading to Lexi's, but we're taking the most beautiful route, driving past Green Lake on our way down to Lexi's.
Yeah. It is always really pretty. It's a cloudy kind of day. It was supposed to be a beautiful weekend, and it's not, so we're not boating, but we're going along the lake, and then we're off to Pavilion.
Good to see Lexi and family.
Yes, to see our grands. We're filming. Film Opa?
Lottie, what are those? Are those baby ducks?
Yeah, they have water.
Look at the little baby duckies. Hey guys, how are ya?
Ooh, we get to see duckies. They are so cute. We're filming. Film Opa?
Lottie, what are those? Are those baby ducks? So Lane and Lottie and the dogs are out for a walk. Going to go check on some cows. Beautiful day here on the ranch. What a beautiful place this is. So Debbie, beautiful sunshine weekend for our boating weekend.
Yeah, the weatherman was totally wrong.
Yeah, it kind of rained. It was nice down at Lexi and Lane, so.
It was quite pretty down there.
Yeah. So it is raining here.
Maybe next weekend it'll be sunny.
It doesn't look like it though in the forecast.
I know.
But hopefully. Summer's coming, hopefully soon.
I hope so. I miss it.
But it's been raining, which has been good because rain in June, we don't burn up in July and August.
True.
So maybe we'll end up with a nice summer.
Hope so.
Debbie, did you go to Costco?
No. This
Did
is
you
from Facebook.
Did you shop online?
I did.
What'd you get?
I think I've topped my online shopping. I was going to say I topped my online shopping because I bought a couch, but really I bought an above ground pool once online. That was my first online purchase.
That was.
It was an above ground pool. This is a couch from Cozy.ca, which comes with 2 ottomans.
Very nice. And it's going to go right over here.
And the cool thing about these, I've never seen one in person. We'll do a review on it. These are modular couches. So you can add extra pieces, you can expand them out as big as you want, you can make them into sectionals, you can do whatever you want with this couch. And the beautiful thing is they're modular in that it doesn't matter how you order it to begin with, you can add pieces. Yeah. So I'm excited.
Should be pretty cool. I still remember when you ordered the online pool because the joke was that it was supposed to be a 24-foot diameter, 52-inch pool, and we all said it'd come as a little Barbie pool or something.
I was terrified.
So if you've been following us for any length of time, you know that we have done many changes for our seating area in our living room in our RV. It's kind of a far cry to call it a living room because it's a slide and that's it. Anyways, we have now bought a Cozy.ca couch and I'm just showing the assembly of it today, and We're hoping this is going to fit the bill. I thought I better clean up before I filmed because I was still in my pajamas and I did my hair. I desperately need a haircut. I'm beginning to think that if I don't get a haircut soon, I'm going to want to buy little black and white puppies and drive a Coupe de Ville. If you know that reference, let me know. All right, that is it fully set up. Now it doesn't really match the decor of everything else, which that's totally fine because I'm changing all of this. But I am really impressed with the quality of the couch. I was really impressed with the quality of the packaging. I think we're going to be really happy with it. I will film Curtis's response and have him say what he thinks about it when he gets home.
It is very firm. But let's put the feet up. Let's see how that is. Yeah, it'd be comfy. What do you think?
I like it.
Hey Debbie, what is today?
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday. And what did you want to do on your birthday?
I want a cake and fishing.
Cake and fishing. So we didn't have...
Simple girl. Usually it's a fire and steak and cake.
We didn't really have enough time to get organized to put the boat in the water or our belly boat in your little... What is your little fishing thing called?
Little pontoon.
Pontoon fishing boat. Didn't have time for that, but we got easy to walk to the dock here.
We're on Irish Lake, which is really pretty to come fishing.
It is. It's a very nice dock. Loons are calling. It's a nice spot.
Night.
Lots of fish jumping. We just got to catch some of them.
And they're jumping in close.
Yeah, close to this fishing dock, so hopefully.